Now for our feature story of the day, fam. Key reason for Bitcoin to hit $220,000 very soon, according to the high priest of Bitcoin, Max Keiser. Yeah, that's right. Let's break it down, starting with a couple of his more recent tweets. He wrote here, the new all-time high gold price is predicting Bitcoin will trade over $220,000 per coin very soon. Now, let me know if you agree with Max, as Lawrence Leopard obviously agrees, and shout out Max Keiser. He also recently tweeted, Bitcoin God candle on deck. Infinite demand meets extremely limited supply. And he makes a great point. The Bitcoin supply in the exchanges is at an all-time low for the past 3-4 years. And of course, demand is only increasing with the institutional adoption like we're witnessing from BlackRock and the major asset managers around the world. So you already know. But let's dive deeper into this story. And shout out to the high priest of Bitcoin, the one and only Max Keiser. That's right. Bitcoin maxing advisor to El Salvador's president, Bukele. Shout out Bukele. I'm looking forward to actually visiting El Salvador in a couple of months. Has published a tweet in which revisiting his ultra bullish prediction for the future price of the world's largest crypto. Keiser tweeted that Bitcoin is likely to skyrocket to a new all-time high of $220,000 due to one key reason. Another safe haven asset, gold, reached the new all-time high of $2,700 per ounce for the first time in 4 years. And I think it's for the first time in history. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't think gold has ever hit that high of a level. The previous all-time high was hit in 2020. Well, I guess according to the article, when the world faced the pandemic and investors began to enter the gold to hedge themselves against low interest rates and the massive amount of the quantitative easing as the money printer continued to go burr. It seems logical to think that once gold has soared to reach a new all-time high, Bitcoin is likely to do the same in the near future. Keiser believes that Bitcoin will ultimately and quickly reach the 220 level that he has been predicting over the last few years. As he shared here on X, the new all-time high gold price is predicting Bitcoin will trade over 220,000 soon. He also recently tweeted, for every dollar advance in gold, we'll see Bitcoin 20x it with a $20 gain. So he believes Bitcoin will continue to outpace gold by a factor of 20x. Let me know if you agree with that. Now, this year, in September, the Federal Reserve decided to switch its stance from a hawkish to a dovish one for the interest rate, which was slashed by 0.5 percentage point. The Fed hinted that until the end of the 2024, a few more interest rate cuts are likely to take place, which is bullish for risk-on assets like the Biddy. It makes it more achievable for the average person to borrow money at a better rate to invest and stack the Biddy. Common sense. Now, Keiser bets on Bitcoin, not gold. Of course. Max said that he expects BRICS to announce the launch of a gold-backed US dollar killer at their conference, which is taking place next week in Russia. And I shared with you breaking news earlier. Let me go right back to reiterate. Vladimir Putin says BRICS will adopt digital currencies for investments. What do you think the number one digital currency in the entire world is? You guessed it. The Biddy. So July, this organization consists of several countries announcing their intention to launch a payment system similar to SWIFT in order to weaken the domination of SWIFT and the US dollar in the global markets. They intended to use blockchain for building and running that system, and a stablecoin backed by gold that would be based on it, hence the US dollar would not be used on that platform. The BRICS movement is ultimately a movement of the de-dollarization collectively from countries around the world that are sick of the US dollar. So as Max shares here, BRICS will announce a gold-backed USD killer at their conference. For every $1 gold moves, Bitcoin moves $20. So what sounds more attractive to you, fam, as an investor? Would you rather get, let's say, 1x gains or 2x or 20x with the Bitcoin? Obviously not financial advice. Anything you hear on this stream is for entertainment purposes only, but you can just look at the history of the Biddy. Now, many financial experts expect the gold-backed crypto to launch this year or last year in August, but that did not happen. Amongst them was Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad author. However, Max added in his tweet, as I referenced, for every $1 gold moves, Bitcoin moves $20, thus making a bet on Bitcoin against gold. Now, I agree 100%. I mean, Bitcoin is digital gold. We live in a digital age. Bitcoin is the best, most appreciating asset in the world. Bitcoin has true scarcity. Gold has relative scarcity. They can always invest more into digging more from the earth and find more. Bitcoin, you can't create more. It's hard-coded. Thanks to Satoshi. There can only ever be 21 million. There's probably 5-6 million lost and gone forever, making it that much more scarce, right? So there's no comparison. Also, obviously, Bitcoin is unconfiscatable. Any other form of currency can be stolen from you from corrupt government. That's just the facts. Also, Bitcoin is immutable. No one's effing with it. Hence, it's un-F-wittable. Let me know if you agree, disagree, and what's your investment of choice? Let me know in them comments. There ain't no second best. Stack the ballots found in California storm drain. The mainstream media is actually reporting on it. Shocker. Smash the likes. Thank you, Judson. Share it on X. Thank you, Duckless. Much appreciated, brother. Let's go. Coinbase's Brian Armstrong is going down. Like FTX's Sam Bankman-Fried is going to be sad when $1's worth of sat. Yeah, by the time it's $1 per Satoshi, we're talking $100 million Bitcoin price. Let that one sink in.